The Beretta Cheetah, also known by its original model name of Series 81, is a line of compact blowback-operated semi-automatic pistols designed and manufactured by Beretta of Italy. They were introduced in 1976 and include models in .32 Auto, models 81 and 82, .380 Auto, models 83, 84, 85 and 86, and .22 Long Rifle, models 87, 87 Target, and 89. This pistol has the familiar open-topped Beretta slide, well-shaped wooden grips, an external hammer, and double-action lockwork. Its principal innovation was the adoption of a double-row magazine holding 12 rounds. The safety catch is ambidextrous, duplicated on both sides of the frame so that it can be used with either hand. The magazine release is recessed in the side of the butt and can be switched from left to right if desired. A new stripping catch lies in the frame, and a magazine safety could be fitted if required. The F versions of models 81, 82, 84, and 85 introduced the combat trigger guard with a squared-off front that allows for a finger hold, plastic grips, a proprietary Brunetton finish, a chrome-plated barrel and chamber, and a combination safety and decocker lever. Beretta still manufactures the Cheetah in Italy with limited imports to the USA each year.